doll is talking like a frog. Another thing, she's passed it to me. I'm sitting looking at the cut of her in bed like an old woman. I think she's even given me this bloody old cough. Keep well, everybody.